It has been a while, ladies and gentlemen. I've been stuck on football, just football left and right. But today, I get back to my roots. I'm here with an album reaction today. And what better to get back in the groove of the album reactions and music reactions than to react to a Radiohead album. Today in this video, we are reacting to Radiohead's Hail to the Thief. It came out in 2003. And it has 14 songs. I've heard of some of these names, these song names, but I legit don't think I've heard a single song off this album. So I'm excited, honestly. I love Radiohead. Shout out to my friend that put me onto them this past summer. Shout out to her. I wish you would watch this video so she could see me shouting her out. But like I said in my last Radiohead reaction, if you haven't seen that one, go ahead and watch that video. I reacted to Kid A. I've already listened to OK Computer and Rainbows. Sadly, I did not react to it on camera. I wish I did. I really wish I did, but it was just a kind of a in the moment type of thing. You know what I'm saying? But now we're reacting to Hail to the Thief, and we're gonna react to every other album. You feel me? We're gonna do Moon-Shaped Pool. We're gonna do In Rainbows 2. You feel me? Everything else. With all that being said, let's just get into the reaction. I'm excited. I ain't got much more to say. Just make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you're not, why you not subbed up, man? I know you're gonna love this video. If you already watched my other Radiohead reaction and you're not subbed up, go ahead and subscribe, man. We greatly appreciate it. But with all that being said, let's get straight into it. Yo, fun fact, guys, I actually know a few Radiohead songs on the guitar now. I'm obsessed. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. I got something for you. Yeah. It's not perfect, but I know y'all know this song. But yeah, guys, I've been learning a few songs, a few Radiohead songs on the guitar. I'm not perfect, of course. Of course, I'm not perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the first song on the album, 2 + 2 = 5. I don't think that's proper math, but why is it just playing in this ear? Is it supposed to be like that? It's very prominent in this ear. Is it supposed to be? Hold on, let me go get my beats because I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like. No, it is supposed to be like that. Okay. That's loud. That's loud. Hold on. Where? They just don't know how to count? Oh, no, they taxing. They got interest on their numbers out there. Why you say January like that? Let's read all these words. I don't know what any of this means, but we got block, rapid, patrol, lube. That is so random. In no way I just sat there and read all of the words. Not paying attention for real, bruh. Ooh. Hold on. Wow. Hey, this crank, I ain't gonna lie. I'm sorry, I was not paying attention to. I try to sing cause I'm not. I swat them like flies, but like flies, the bugs keep coming back. That's a line right there. Hold on, that ending was crankage, absolute crankage. I like that. That was a cool little intro song. Actually, I feel like I'm gonna like that one. I feel like that's gonna grow on me. It's pretty solid. Moving on to the next song, Sit Down, Stand Up. Why do I already have that first song stuck in my head? But I'm not. That joint low-key did crank, I ain't gonna lie. It already grown on me. It sound like Christmas. Christmas is right around the corner. Y'all like my painting? Pause. Y'all like my painting? I think I did pretty good. Y'all let me know how I did. Sit down, stand up. I'm sorry if I keep going on tangents and stuff. I lose focus fast nowadays. I don't want to do that, brother. I really don't want to do that. I'm good off that, brother. I'm good. I like the way this song going, bro. I'm not trying to go to Gates of Hell or whatever. It's an interesting song. Ooh. It's getting dark. Ooh, hold on. I'm kind of feeling like this. This giving me Ben 10 vibes. Hold on, I'm feeling a little Ben 10-ish right now. Hold on. I don't know why, but that's the vibes it's giving. Okay. On that scale. And then, ooh! Ooh, you like that climb. Did you like that climb the bass just did? Listen closely. Oh my gosh. Down the scale and then it low-key cranking, I ain't gonna lie. The ending, I like the ending of the song. The rest of the song I wasn't really rocking with. Moving on, next song, Sail to the Moon. I like this already. Yeah. This might be the one. Yeah. Yep. Like a soft lo-fi mixed with like some slow jazz. Yeah. I don't even need them to sing. Why would you suck the moon? I love how soft this is. Oh my, yo, this guitar is acting up. This guitar wants me to, yeah, this song wants me to learn it. Oh, the hammer-ons, yes! Ooh, that high note. Oh my gosh, hold on. Yo, They're cooking with this song. Yeah, I gotta learn this song. I gotta learn. It's bringing tears to my eyes, bro. Shout out Noah. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta put this in a playlist. Alright, that last song was definitely my favorite. That might go onto my favorites playlist. That was beautiful, bro. That was, especially the guitar and the hammer-ons they was doing with it. And then his runs, Tom's runs. Oh man, yeah, that song was beautiful. Like, I love the whole vibe of it. It was amazing, honestly. 10 out of 10 song. Moving on, next song, Backdrifts. It's that dance EDM machine music. I ain't really into that. I ain't gonna lie. Same me, brother. This reminds me of Audio Tech from Kid A. Not me. Not gonna lie. Sounded funny. Ooh, he's straining his voice right there. What the heck? Okay, break it down. I don't know how to do a robot. I look stupid, I know. It sounds like, what's it called? Nah, it sounds like some like cyberpunk type of music, but like a chase scene or something like that. Really sound like they was just in the studio playing around, like just playing around with the sounds and stuff. Like they got a new soundboard or something and just testing it out. All right. Like I said multiple times, it's just not me. That's not what I'm into. That I didn't really like it that much. So yeah, I'm not gonna say it's bad, but it's just not. It's not a me song. So yeah, moving on. Next song, Go to Sleep. You got work in the morning, so take that butt to bed. Okay. Getting a country vibe. Giving me Tennessee vibes. That's why I just seen a fly. Okay. I love their guitar so much. Shout out Johnny Greenwood, bro. And Tom York. Okay. A little halftime breakdown. Oh my. Okay. Yeah, I'm rocking with this. Yeah. actually like that song more than I thought I would. I'm not gonna lie. That song was actually top tier. I'm not gonna lie. That might be my second favorite. I'm not gonna lie. Nothing. I don't think anything's going to be Sail to the Moon. So, but moving on. Next song, Where I End and You Begin. That's kind of poetic. I ain't gonna lie. It's like giving birth. Well, no. I will hope you don't die during childbirth. I don't know why I said that. Ooh! Bro, I was stretching and yawning. Hold on, bro. I wasn't ready. That was so abrupt. I like that. We have long intros. I like his flow. I like this flow a lot. Why he always talking about dinosaurs roaming the earth? Is that like one of his like interests, like dinosaurs? Like he loved dinosaurs or something? Like he's really interested in dinosaurs because he keep talking about them. It's been 2 songs I've listened to where he talk about some dinosaurs roaming the earth. Ain't no issue with it, but like I just want to know, you know? Ooh. I don't want to be eaten alive, brother. Cannibalist. I ain't no time was into that. Why did that song low-key go by fast, even though it was 4 minutes long? I don't know, that song was interesting. I'm not gonna lie, this album is definitely a very different vibe than I expected it. I did not expect it to give off this type of vibe. It really reminds me of Kid A, the Kid A album, but like, I don't know, it has like more like a, I don't know, it's different. I definitely like it more than the Kid A album, I would say. But moving on, next song, We Suck Young Blood. What do you mean by that? Like, when you say we suck young blood, like, do you, like, suck it like you're a vampire, but, like, it has to be young people's blood? And, like, if that's the case, how young? Or, when we say we suck young blood, is there supposed to be a comma, you know, between we suck young blood, you know, a comma right here? But it was a typo and they forgot the comma? This is dark. Why they just restart? I like that bass in the bag. Are you hungry? A little bit. Hold on, this is jazz. Some smooth jazz right here. Are you sweet? Hold on, bro. This gotta be like this has to be like for a movie or something. Like, was this made for Twilight or something? Because people don't just write lyrics like this, you know. It has to be for a specific reason. Are you strung out by the rails? You want the young blood. Yeah, this gotta be for like a some type of show. Like, it gotta be for like Twilight or the originals or something, some type of vampire show or movie or something, bro. Like, gotta be, bro. I'm hoping it is. I love the smooth jazz though. Yo, that harmony that sounded like very dark and sinister. I'm not gonna lie. like his run. What the heck? Like I said, it was giving heavy jazz vibes, bro. I like this. I'm getting a little scared. I'm getting a little scared, bro. Pause. You need to get into opera. Very, 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 very interesting song. Y'all let me know if that was in some type of like vampire or some type of something movie or something, because that was very interesting song. Anyway, moving on. Next song, The Gloaming. It's getting very dark, and I'm not liking it. It's getting very sinister. Help me, Lord. Bless me, Lord. We got another EDM song, little, what is it called? What is that, what is that style of music called? It's not EDM, it's not, dance, it's not house, it's not, computer music? Is that what it would be called? Oh, shoot. It's not me. I ain't gonna lie. It's not me, brother. I just don't rock. Oh my gosh, English. I just don't rock with like the techie, computer-ish sounding stuff. It's just not me. I like real instruments, you know. What's the other side? We talking about the upside down, brother? I don't want it to be gloomy. I like sunshine and a little cool breeze. That definitely was not me. Probably won't listen to that song again. Moving on. Next song, There, There. Oops. Sounds pretty easy. This riff sounds pretty easy. I actually like this. This is a cool little vibe. That's very true. We're about to start getting funky. I can feel it. I like this. Okay. It's like it's not like an old school, like a 50s or a 60s song, something like that. Something like what's his name? Presley would do or something. I like his flow as well. I actually like that. I English. I didn't think I was gonna like it much. I thought I was gonna be like, yeah, it's cool. But I actually liked that. That was actually pretty good. That's a nice song. I like his flow. I like the words. I like the lyrics. guitar throughout the song. So it was nice. It had all the components of a song that I would like. So moving on, next song, I Will. This is probably the shortest song. It's right under 2 minutes. I'm not used to a short Radiohead song. LOL. I like that. What you think this is? Outlast or not Outlast? What's that show called? Fallout. Song would put me to sleep. I ain't gonna lie. This is a fire lullaby. Ooh, that harmony. I don't know. This low register, this low voice, this baritone. Tom York might be the one. I ain't gonna lie. This might be the one. Tom. This might be the one. Yo, I love his deliver of Little Baby's eyes. You feel me? All of the eyes and stuff like that. But what's the correlation to the song? You know, why are we talking about Little Baby's ass? You know, but I really like that. I really did like that. I'm not gonna lie, he got very underrated range. Next song, A Punch Up at a Wedding. That's a very interesting name. I had to make sure I read it correctly. It's like he about to freestyle. Listen. I feel it. I'm about to get the freestyling. Ooh. Hold on, I'm kind of rocking with this. Hold on. This flow kind of hard, bro. Like this rhythm. I'm rocking with it. What time signature is this in? Because I really like this time signature. I don't know time signatures and stuff like that, but y'all let me know what time signature this is. I don't know what the heck he talking about, but this hard, bro. He calling you names. What does that mean? The pointless snide remarks of hammer-headed sharks, like two-headed people, like the point. Oh, hold on, the pointless snide remarks. So like the slick and shady and unnecessary remarks from two-faced people. Hold on, bro. I just put okay. I got it. I get it now. I just had to break it down, man. Hey, yeah, we about to get real groovy in a second. No music. Dang, you just got straight into it, bro. Relax. Song was cool. It was just I think it was a little too long. I feel like if he cut out the last verse, it would have been fine. Like it would have been perfect length. It just felt too long. It was a nice, cool song, but it was just since it felt too long, it felt repetitive. You know what I'm saying? That was my only critique for that song. But other than that, I liked it a lot. All right, moving on. Next song. Y'all know daggone well I don't know how to pronounce that. So let's try. Myxomatosis. No, that's definitely not how you pronounce it. Myxomatosis. Whatever. Hold on. We straight into it like that. I like this. I like this a lot. Yeah. I like this. Ah, yeah. Yeah. That flow, the way he went. Da, 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 da. Oh my, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Just go on. Oh, no music. It be like that, bruh. Hey, this got me moving and grooving. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I said nothing will probably, take that top spot from Sail to the Moon, but this low-key might have. This I think this took the top spot already, and I'm not even halfway through yet. Oh, you about to say the word. Myxomatosis. I was so wrong. I said myxomatosis. Myxomatosis. Oh, Myxomatosis. There we go. Okay. What is that? No. Why I feel so or is that the disease? He said I twitch and I salivate like Myxomatosis. 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 Myxomatosis, a fatal viral disease caused by the Myxomatosis virus that primarily affects European rabbits and has a high I cannot read, I cannot speak. Am I illiterate today? What's going on? Has a high mortality rate. It spreads through direct contact with infected rabbits, contaminated objects, or bites from insects like fleas and mosquitoes. Symptoms include swelling around the face, eyes, and genitals, eye and nasal discharge, fever, lethargy, and skin lumps. There is no cure. Oh my gosh! So it's just the European version of rabies, I guess. Shorty got you so messed up you think you got rabies. That's kind of crazy. Myxomatosis. That's my new favorite word now, even though I can barely pronounce it. Alright, moving on. Next song, Scatterbrain. Oh wait, I didn't talk about that last song. I actually think I said what I needed to say though. That song was my favorite by far. Even though it's named after a disease, I don't care. That song was hard. It's fire. European version of rabies. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. I'm sorry, Sail to the Moon. You gotta go to the number 2 spot, bro. But now moving on. Next song, Scatterbrain. Oh, nah. This my type exactly. This is my exact type of drum beat. I love this drum beat. Yeah. Okay. I would have never expected to hear this drum beat, this particular drum beat, in a Radiohead song like ever. This is the type of 808 type of joint they were using like rap songs for real. Oh my. Yo, his runs, man. I like this. This is hard. Oh my. Yo, they cranking at this back half of the album, bruh. I love this. I love this a lot. This is the type of song I listen to and look up at the sky and vibe to, bro. It's a heavy vibe, bro. This guitar, this sounds like, what's it called? Paranoid Android. Sounds like Paranoid Android. That was hard, bro. Like I said, this back half of the album is cooking. You feel me? 2 straight bangers in a row. I think that song might go on my favorites. I just gotta listen to it one more time, bro. But that was definitely number 3. That was hard, bro. That was a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna, no, 9 out of 10. I'm gonna say 9 out of 10. But moving on, last and final song of this album, we got A Wolf at the Door. Shout out Lil Red Riding Hood. Sound like a scary kid song. I was not expecting his baritone voice, his regular voice. I was not expecting that. I like it. I like when he sings in his baritone regular voice, man. I like that tone of voice. It threw me off. I ain't gonna lie, it threw me off. Hey, he doing everything to you. Kicking you in your face, taking your credit cards, getting the guns. Oh my lord. Hey man, watch your mouth, bro. This is so different. This is like probably the most unique Radiohead I've ever heard. Because it's so different and such a different style and such a different pace and very unique. It's like its own thing. You know, it's like I don't know. It's not really their style, I would say. Look in the mirror at the face you don't recognize. Help me call the doctor, put me inside. Put me inside. I keep the world from the door. Calls me on the phone, tells me all the ways that he's gonna mess me up. Still with children if I don't pay the ransom. Man, who is this nigga dealing with? Bro, who he in league with? The mafia, bro? Ooh. I like the softness. Oh my gosh! Yo, drummer going crazy right now. This real life Three Little Piggy song, boy. Nah, that joint crank, I ain't gonna lie. Wolf at the Door, that's such a tough name, I ain't gonna lie. That's all of the songs off Hail to the Thief. Maybe that's, okay, I think I get the correlation of some of these songs now to the album name, Hail to the Thief. There's a lot about stealing and lying and stuff like that. So now I think I put the 2 and 2 together, you know. I think I get the correlation now. But rating this album, added a few to my playlist. That last song I should add to my playlist, actually. But yeah, definitely gonna listen to this again, as I always do with every album. But a little bit earlier, before the second half, like midway through, I wasn't really feeling it. It was a lot of like computery stuff, a lot of technology sounding stuff. I want to say EDM/dance, but I know that's not what it is. I want to call it like computer music. I don't like that style of music. It's not me, you know. So I was really like, I wasn't really feeling it much, you know. But that last half plus like the first 2-3 songs, they were nice. They were nice. The ones that stuck out, Sail to the Moon, that last song, Wolf at the Door, Scatterbrain, Myxomatosis. I think I said that right. I think I said that correctly. Punch Up at a Wedding was an interesting song, but I think I liked it. It was very interesting, and I really liked I Will. So I liked a lot of songs, a few songs, but the other ones were kind of forgettable, or I just didn't like them at all. Rating this album, I give this album like a 7.3. I give this album a 7.3 out of 10. Yeah, it was a few songs that stuck out, a few songs that stuck out in a bad way, but overall, it was a decent album. It was better. It was better than what's it called? The other album I reacted to, Kid A. I forgot what I gave it, but I'm pretty sure I gave it a lower score than this. So yeah, 7.3 out of 10. Yeah, I ain't got much else to say about it. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this album. What's your favorite song off this album if you already heard it? What's your favorite Radiohead album ever though? Y'all let me know that as well. And what's your favorite song ever? Mine, I have a few, I'm not gonna lie. But the ones at the top right now, Jigsaw Falling Into Place, The Taurus, and Paranoid Android. Paranoid Android was actually the first song I've heard from Radiohead, so. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new, and if you're not. Might not subscribe, man. You're watching all the videos, watching this entire video. Got all the way to the end, and you still not subbed up, go ahead and subscribe, man. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Joe out. Peace.